Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler here, filming from Jennette's Pier, looking south and east. And we are watching the 4 to 7 foot waves roll in off a stormy North Atlantic. White caps streaming in over the sandbar, tops getting knocked off the waves. Misty rain falling on the wet beaches, and storm clouds coming up from the south. We are under gale warnings and expect strong winds from the south and west tonight, shifting around to the north tomorrow, and generally a relatively stormy day today, although clouds expected to clear tomorrow with that north wind behind the front. And another shot here more toward the east as a large swell moves in. Large combers breaking just offshore here. One of those 6 to 7 foot waves. And another one behind it, rushing in through the foam. I was out here in the water earlier, helping a beginning surfer, and got some good rides in the foamies for our new surfer. And we might be heading on a little safari trip tomorrow. We shall see. In any case, regardless, I will be giving you these observations. Bird swimming there in the surf. See if he pops up again and I can get a close-up shot. Just dove right under a wave. Oh, there we go. It's the same birds that I've been seeing in the surf lately. These black and white birds, very agile. And right back under. Agile swimmers in the surf. Another wonder here of the Outer Banks. Birds in the waves. As we watch the beautiful blue and gray and slightly tinted green waters, I'd just like to thank you all for joining me for this beach report. Provided for you of the waves here on the Outer Banks.